know from the previous videos, but that is the most enjoyable drive throughout Leeds that you've just experienced there. So obviously I was at Mo Brothers, went through bloody hell, Wigton Lane. Now where all the big houses were, flashy lights, all that, it'll pop up on my screen now. Jack Harrison, who I absolutely detest, Leeds United player, he is his house is up for sale. $5 million. $5 million? £5 million, let's put it that way. So I hope someone comes in and buys it and it just moves to France, go play in Toulouse or something. But anyway, less of that. So yeah, quite a few nice houses there, and the best thing about it, through all them nice houses, 40-mile-an-hour roads all the way through, so it's nice. But yeah, we're back on the said job in Roundy. I think it's classed as Oakwood actually, but it's Roundy. And we're stoning up, putting raised planters in, putting raised walling with sleepers, and then what else are they doing? Oh, we're prepping for bloody hell, my head's gone. We're prepping for Porcelain, which is coming out of the bifolds, as I said last night. But yeah, it's Friday and I'm in a bloody good mood today. Being paid like three times today, which is very nice indeed. What else was I going to say? Just a bit of appreciation really. Thank you all for watching over this week. We've hit it pretty big. We've done shorts every day to get people to watch. We've done videos every day, and I've done the odd post here and there on YouTube as well. I don't know how posts work, if you get paid for them or if it just promotes you to whatever. I don't know how it works. But yeah, I must crack on. I'm in a good mood. I'm going to be flying. I'm going to go, right, what are we doing here? Tom will be tired, so he's always not a morning person at all. It's horrible. So let's go wind him up. See you soon. So fast forward 3 hours. They've got the wall in. They've got the step in. They've got the wall in. I'm happy with that. So they've decided, obviously, Tom talks to the customer as well. This step is in the centre of this red line here to the step over there, and then they've gone 1.2 wide. So just works out 3x2 flags sideways, and it fits quite nice. It does fit nice. So now we're just last hour getting that stoned up there, and then just put sleeper back on, then we're ready for Monday. Yeah, so see you soon.